In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an Etsy review on both desktop and phone. Whether you're overjoyed with your purchase, or perhaps your experience left a little to be desired, reviewing is a fantastic way to provide feedback. So let's dive into it. First, we'll go through the steps on how to leave a review using your desktop. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to navigate to the Purchases and Reviews section. Here you'll see a list of all your orders. Your task now is to locate the specific order that you wish to review. Once you've found it, look beneath the item and you'll notice the star rating system. On Etsy, you have the option to select anywhere from 1 to 5 stars. Selecting 5 stars indicates you found the item excellent, while 1 star suggests it didn't meet your expectations. Take a moment to consider how you want to rate your experience. If you have more to say about the item, this is your moment to add a written comment. This step is optional, but it's an excellent opportunity to provide additional feedback that could help both the seller and potential buyers. Perhaps share your thoughts on the quality, whether the item met the description, or any other aspect you found noteworthy. Thinking of some visual input, you can upload up to 5 photos of the product with your review. Again, this is completely optional but highly recommended, as photos can offer potential buyers valuable insights into the product from a customer's perspective. Satisfied with your review and all the elements it contains, simply click Post your review and you're all set. Your feedback will contribute to the wider Etsy community. Now let's quickly talk about leaving a review using your phone, as the process is quite similar. Make sure you are logged into the Etsy app. On the home screen, you'll find a menu. Tap on You, then go to Purchases and Reviews. From there, locate the order you intend to review. As with the desktop version, you can rate, comment, and upload photos in much the same way. Just tap on the stars to rate the order, write out your feedback, and add any photos if you wish. Once you've composed your thoughts, tap Submit to post your review. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to leave reviews on Etsy. Whether you're on a desktop or your phone, it's a small task, but it can have a big impact for sellers and future shoppers alike. Thank you for watching and happy reviewing!